Good morning, this is Heather Armstrong. It's Sunday, September 25th. I'm here on the Metro BNSF. I'm looking at the bikes. There's only room for 3 bikes, and look at the 4th bike. There's no room for that 4th bike. Look, it's in the aisle. There's this wheelchair right here in the aisle. It's okay in this spot, but look, there's no room for this another wheelchair. How are you gonna have more wheelchairs on the train? Look, Metro, I don't like this bicycle policy. You need to change it. Thank you. Can you please change the policy? Thank you. Bye.